Hi guys.
What's up?
We're here for Supportworks. Conference time. Saddle up!
Welcome to the stage, Dave Thrasher.
Let's be the types of people who look for the good, who see the good, and take every difficult challenge as an opportunity to be better. Be it an industry challenge, a pandemic, a global supply chain problem, or a tight labor market. The people who will win are the ones who look at those situations not through bitterness, but through the lens of how it can make us better.
But culture is realized by the lowest member of the org chart. That's who experiences your real company culture. And the more layers you have between you and that bottom, the less you actually experience your company's real culture. Why? Because they're kissing your ass.
You might not wanna get close. We a little wild war. Covered in tattoos, run it up, taking all the views. Stepping on place, feeling the fear. I know you feeling it in the air. Whole squad wearing all black. Motivation's looking real bad. We back to the bone, raising a fire alone. We ain't never needed nobody. Give me 6 feet, this is my part.
How many degrees might what you learn and the people you meet here change the path of your life?
This year's Integrity Award winner goes out to Permaseal Basement Systems.
And I don't think this industry and what you do gets recognized enough. You help families, you help businesses, you help communities. You kept people employed in incredibly difficult times, and you did it with class. Thank you so much for what you do.
If you want to grow your business, you have to grow your people. And if you want to really grow your people, you got to grow your leaders. Because as the leaders go, so go the people.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow.